Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I want to make a really short, really easy tutorial video on how you can set up your Gmail account to become an autoresponder. It's very easy. You do not have to pay for an email autoresponder. This goes out to anybody that's on my team that does not know how to do this, or anybody that's watching this video who's involved in some other business and you currently do not have an email autoresponder or you cannot afford one. So let's jump right in. This is so super easy, it's going to blow your mind. So first thing that you have to do if you don't have one already is create a Gmail account. I have several Gmail accounts personally, so I'm just going to take you to one that is already set up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the settings button. And when that opens up, we're going to see all settings. Okay, and then you're going to simply scroll down until it comes to your vacation responder, which is right here. Now you want to click it on right here. Oops, vacation responder on. You want to click that on. Don't worry about setting up a date. Don't worry about putting a subject line in. You just want to put the message in to get it across to whoever emails the address. And I personally have this one set up for my text bot business. So what I did is I typed in the message here. I put a link to my TextBot website. Um, I put a video to the comp plan on it. And at the very bottom, I put the number that they can call. Now, once you've entered all the information, whatever it is, you simply click on the Save Changes button right here. I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm just going to put that around there so that way it saves the changes on this. And I'm going to click Save Changes. And that's it. That's really all there is. So anybody that emails that particular address that you have set up with the vacation settings, they're going to get an automatic reply. And that's today's lesson, boys and girls. I hope it was very helpful. If you found it helpful, please smash the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Click on the little bell icon so that way anytime I come out with new content, you'll be the first to know. Thanks again, guys. And just as always, peace, love, and chicken grease. I'm out.